Currently, I am sitting in the back seat. No, we're heading down to Maryville. What's the name of that nursery?
Out of Eden.
Out of Eden has gone out of business, and they had a ton of equipment that they auctioned off, and so we were blessed enough to be able to get 2 newer trucks for us, one Ford, lame, and 1 Chevy, awesome, and then a bunch of hand tools and some power tools as well. So we're pretty excited. Oh yeah. I think it's because I'm usually on the bike, so I'm watching. Not around. Preston goes straight for the truck. I went straight for the mower.
Yeah, this is a game-changing truck for us because this truck will haul 7.5 tons. Very versatile. You know, our project crews can utilize this. Planning crews, you know, whatever. You can get all the people you need to in it.
And it's a Duramax Chevy.
And it's a Chevy.
We had to pay extra for the dirt, and this bolt cost us 50 cents extra.
For Johnny, we're going to put a rack on it to where he can load pipe on top.
The power
irrigation stuff in here.
Nice.
And that frees up another dovetail for landscape maintenance projects, mowing crew possibly.
Grab all that stuff with that wheelbarrow.
252, 436, 5 shovel.
Here's your shovel, Robbie.
Golly, this thing's huge. Oh yeah. Oh no.
I told him we were going to shoot rock, paper, scissors for it. He was like, nope, I'm driving the big truck.
Says we're low on coolant, so we're stopping here at O'Reilly's.
Which?
Maybe more complicated than I thought.
You don't think it's just these rubber hooks that...
Oh, yes, that.
Topping off, or are you flushing? You're topping off. Okay, how soon? That's the question.
Yeah.
25, 23. See, he's not awake yet. He stays up to like 2 a.m. and does whatever he
did last night. I tell all my guys I'm not awake until I have at least 2 cups of coffee.
There you go. All right, guys.
Thanks, sir.
Have a great
Thank
day.
you.
Thank you very much.
Appreciate it.
Next is I'm going to do something called Dex. I ask the guys to do this all the time. I get the receipt, it's in my hand, I pull out my phone. It's a really complicated process here. And I take a picture of the receipt. There, and then I push submit. And then the receipt, I do something very special with the receipt. Very special. I follow it up like this, and I throw it. That's not right. I'm now officially very confused, Justin.
Wow, what's up?
Because I unscrewed this.
Look over here.
Well, it's not chicken, but it's got egg on it, so it's kind of chicken.
You got a breakfast pizza?
Yeah. Bacon, sausage, and egg.
Launch the jellyfish! Don't see Roberto! Control trailer hitch
Sweet, yeah.
exhaust brake.
You like it?
I love it.
What do you think?
It'll do. It'll do. That's handy.
Yeah.
Where's it at?
It's gonna get.
That won't last long.
You need a better
diet is completely out the window.
What diet?
There we go. There's the answer. There's the answer.
I haven't been on a diet for months. Chili's healthy anyway. The corn chips are the healthiest part.
For our employee of the week this week, kind of talked to some of the project managers and some of the management last week, and Jose, you are the employee of the week. Good job, man. Doing a great job. Appreciate you. Say a little something, Jose.
Thank you. Kyle, if you'll tell us one fun fact about yourself.
I skateboard.
But I just want to honor this one this morning for his 7-year clean date. He always shows us all grace and compassion. Anybody he talks to, customers, clients, all of us. So I just want everybody to just kind of honor Robbie this morning and give him a hand of praise for his great work and everything that he's done.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
All right, Tyler here, and today we are starting with putting some gravel down here so we can set a flagstone patio.
Nah, bro, we're just cool about not having one.
All right, so we're gonna spread this gravel, make it even, and then we're gonna start laying the flagstone patio.
I've been falling in love with you. You've been out of touch with me.
Here at Seeds of Change, we are human. I'm in the midst of moving and grabbed the wrong shirt. Didn't even realize it till I got to work. So today we are sponsored by Columbia for all your outdoor needs, even digging holes in the ground. Right now we are digging holes for fence posts. I'm building a screen to match this right over here. There'll be 1x2 spaced every 2 inches. It'll wrap around the corner of this because inside here will be a swim spa. They want a bit of privacy. Stay tuned. Waiting on concrete. We'll dry pack it, add a little water.
What we're going to do here is take half of it and put it around the post, put a little bit of water in it, and then mix it in, and then throw dirt on it.
He's holding the bag running out of breath the whole time. Add a little water.
And there they stay.
Good.